So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers. You guys are absolutely the best. And if you are new to my channel, if this is your first time of seeing me and my lovely face, please subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. So today's recipe is a vegetable coconut spaghetti. Guys, this spaghetti is super good. I can't wait to share it. It's so creamy and so tasty. So yes, it is vegetable coconut spaghetti. This is vegetarian friendly. The only thing that you can change in this recipe if you're a vegetarian is the maggi cube that I'm going to be using, because I think that is a meat seasoning. So just use vegetable cube instead of the maggi cube, and this will be good to go. Anyway guys, I'm going to take you guys over there and I'll introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Please stay tuned because this recipe is good. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. I have 2 big onions, I have half sweet red pepper, I have carrot, I have mushroom, ginger and garlic, I have coconut oil, I have spaghetti, Nigerian dry chili, spring onions, I have curry and Nigerian mixed seasoning, I have salt and maggi, and I have coconut milk. Let's get started on this recipe. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to put my spaghetti in here and add hot water and leave it in hot water for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out. So guys, in this pot I am going to add my coconut oil. And I'm going to let it melt. So guys, I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. Put it back on the stove and let it heat up for 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes of frying the onions, I'm going to add in my coconut milk. I'm going to allow it to heat up a bit. I'm going to like cook the milk with the onions for another 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes of letting the coconut milk simmer with the onions, it's time to add our ingredients and add water. So I'm going to add maggi. I'm adding 3 maggi. Like I said before, if you're vegetarian, just take out the maggi and add vegetarian cube. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add curry, and I'm going to add the Nigerian mixed seasoning. I'm going to add the dry chili, and I'm going to add hot water. So I'm going to allow this to heat up. Once it boils up, I will add in my spaghetti. So guys, the water has heated up, so I'm going to add our spaghetti. So I've cleaned it. I took it out of the water before. Immediately, it was 4 minutes that I put it in the hot water. I took it out of the water. So I'm adding in the spaghetti. Oh my days, the smell of the coconut. If you're a coconut lover, this creamy spaghetti is for you. The smell of the spaghetti, the aroma of it is absolutely yum. Yeah, so now I'm going to put it back on the stove and let it start cooking. I'm going to cover it. So I'm checking if the spaghetti is getting soft. It's a little bit soft. I am going to add my carrots, because carrots, like every other vegetable here, takes longer. So I'll add my carrot first and I'll cook it for like 5 minutes, and then I'll check it again. If it's softer, then I'll add all the other vegetables. So I'm going to cover it again and let it simmer again for like 5 minutes with the carrot. After 5 minutes of adding the carrot in the spaghetti, I'm going to turn it around and check how soft the spaghetti is. I feel like it's getting very soft now, so let me check. Oh yeah, it is time to add the other veg. So I'm going to add the mushroom. I'm going to add the sweet pepper. And I'm going to add spring onions. And for this time now, I'm going to leave this vegetable for like 2 to 3 minutes, because this spaghetti is ready. If you are a vegetarian, this recipe will be so good for you. And also if you like coconut, oh, the aroma in this kitchen, unbelievable. Good. I tasted it now. Everything it has, all the sauce are nice there. I don't need to add any salt or whatever. It's perfect. So I'm going to cover it again for 2 to 3 minutes and this food will be ready. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, our spaghetti is ready. And guys, I keep saying the aroma in this kitchen is yum. If you are a fan of coconut, this recipe is definitely for you. And I love the way that the vegetables are still alive and the color in it is just telling you to dive in basically. So yes, we are done, and that is our spaghetti. And yeah, so guys, this is our spaghetti. It looks so delish and so yummy, and the aroma in this kitchen is absolutely to die for. I know you have heard me say it like 20 times, but it is. And yeah, please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe. Thumbs up really means a lot to me in terms of supporting and growing my channel. Yes, I can't literally wait to dive in. The aroma in this kitchen is absolutely to die for. Thank you guys, thank you. So guys, thank you for sticking with me throughout this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. The coconut aroma in this kitchen is absolutely to die for. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, my name is Justina. In here we do food recipe, mukbang, chit-chat vlogs and natural hair video. Please subscribe and stay tuned, and also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Guys, I literally cannot wait to dive in. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.